Hello traders, welcome to True Forex Funds account overview. Today we will look into successful funded accounts that has been already rewarded with an 80% profit split. This video is meant to help up-and-coming traders reach their full potentials trading with True Forex Funds. Have a look. If you are new to True Forex Funds, then what we do here is we are funding talented traders up to $400,000 after passing the evaluation process. And today we will look at 3 traders who passed our evaluation process, made it to the funded account, and received their fair shares of profit splits, which is 80% of whatever they made here. So Trader A started trading on September 16th. All of these traders had a bi-weekly payout, meaning the account only traded for 14 days. If we take a look at the daily balance chart, we can see that the beginning, the first and second and third day was just slightly profitable, but then on the fourth day, the account holder, Trader A, managed to make $12,719 just in one day, and then remained profitable for the next 5th and 6th day. This account traded on the MetaTrader 4 platform, reached a balance of $117,000, which is $17,000 profits overall. The per trade balance chart shows a great ascent to the upside with a great curve that we really like to see, and basically there was no minor losses during the account management period. The trading objectives are all met. We have max daily loss, which is 5%, and then max loss, which is 10%. And as you can see, the max loss wasn't intact anyway because the account went to an overall drawdown of $300, which is really marginal for a 100K account. And then max daily loss was also respected. The account had only a $2,200 drawdown per day, which was a historical drawdown. If we take a look at the daily summary, this account traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, and all of them traded from Monday to Friday, so no weekend trading here. And the most profitable day is far away Thursday, as we can see, with a profit of $12,792. This day was September 22nd with 41 trades, so that's pretty higher than previous or other days when the account traded mostly 2, 3, or the previous day, the 21st of September, he had 17 trades. However, if we take a look at the trading volume, September 22nd is the highest trading volume day with 70.5 lots. Despite the previous day was 66.5 lots with lesser trades, the account holder only managed to make $1,500. So this is a good indicator for Trader A that if he makes more trades, he might make more profits as well. And focusing on Thursday trades is really profitable. If we take a look at the wins and losses, we can see that Thursday, 35 wins and only 6 losses, which shows a really great risk to reward or win to loss ratio. And on the other days, it's also, the account only has just a few losses and most of them are wins. So the account holder manages risk properly and know when to lock in profits. By far, the most profitable holding time is between the 5 and 15 minutes, but also scalping is really profitable for Trader A. But if we would go beyond 30 minutes, the account might not be as profitable as trading between 1 minute and 30 minutes. So, but focusing on the 5 and 15 minutes holding time is made almost $8,500. So if you take a look at the statistics, I really like to see that this account had a win rate of 81%, which is pretty high. And the average risk to reward ratio, anything above 1 is good, but this is 2.24, which is phenomenal. And if you take a look at the profit factor figure, anything above 2 would be extremely profitable, and this is 9.49, which is remarkable. Wow, with only a trading volume of 190 lots, that's a total trading volume, and 68 trades, this account is really outperforming and making great results, as we could see. Also, it is really good to see the average win is much higher than the average loss, so this also indicates a good risk to reward ratio. Most of the trades were made on sell positions with 12,500 profits. However, buy positions are also profitable with $4,500 altogether. And we can see that most of the trades were focused on buying position. Altogether, 70% of the trades were put on buy positions. However, sell positions are more profitable despite of having more positions on buys. If you take a look at symbols, GBP, JPY was the most traded symbol. However, gold is also favorized for this trader. So this might not be a specialist account, but the trader really knows how to trade these two instruments. With 72% of the trades allocated to GBP, JPY, and only 28% allocated to gold. If we take a look at the trading history, we want to scroll down to the beginning. So we can see that the account started with a $100,000 balance, and then the account continued with 5, 3, 1.5 lots. So we can see the trading volume is pretty regular. And we can also see that the account started with some profits, but then it made some losses. Now, the trader A knew how to change losses into wins, and then afterwards we can only see mostly profits. However, if we see some losses, they are cut short. So this shows a good risk management. And then this trader on the 22nd, he made most of the profits with the same regular lot sizes. So this is really good to see. He didn't risk more, but he knew what he was doing. So he analyzed the markets properly and then traded with he traded with the strategy he or she used to. And then if we continue on, pretty accurate numbers. What can we say? This is an intraday trader's account. The trader is good with scalping, good with risk management, holding profits, and finding profitable scenarios. So it is really good to see this account. And also the trader A was rewarded with 80% of $17,000. So I imagine it can be a good deal trading for the prop firm with us. Let's see into trader B's account. This account started with a $200,000 initial balance, and on October 5th, the account started trading and made a balance of $230,000, meaning the profits are $30,000 and the trader B received 80% of these. It's on a MetaTrader 4 platform. It's a widely used platform and good for retail trading. And we can see that the number of days add up to 7 days. And we can see a straight, good upside curve. There's no huge dips or huge spikes. It's pretty even. And if you look at the per trade balance chart, we can see some similarities that some losses were made, but the trader B recovered all of these losses, and most of the trades are profitable. Today's permitted loss is not available, and also today's profits. If you have an ongoing account at True Forex Funds, these figures are helping you to follow what you can risk for today or how many profits did you make today. If an account ends and, like for this example, the account got paid out, you will not see any of these figures anymore. Also, if you haven't placed a trade yet, you will also not see these figures. Max daily loss is 5% for this account, which is greatly respected. The account only went to a drawdown of minus $2,900 in a given day. So that is less than 1.5% risk per day, which is really good to see. It's a great risk management. The max loss was $20,000, so that's 10% for a 200K account. and we can see that max loss was also intact. So the historical result shows that the highest drawdown for this account was minus 4,283 from the initial balance. If we look at the daily summary, we know that the trader traded 7 days. The highest traded volume happened on October 11th with 84 lots, and the highest profits also made on this day with $11,700. On Friday, the sum of all profits are 13,828. So Friday and also Tuesday are the two most profitable days for this trader. Monday and Wednesday can be avoided, or perhaps market turbulence, news could come up that the trader B wasn't aware of, or maybe the market moved in a way that was unexpected. If we take a look at wins and losses, we can see that it's pretty even regarding the wins and losses are similar. However, a bigger risk to reward ratio might be here due to the trader cutting the losses early and letting the gains run as far and as profitable as the trader B can. Regarding profit by holding time, we can see that the 1 to 4 hours are the most profitable for this trader. This can be due because it's not definitely a scalping trader. The account holder might hold position for longer time and sees trends on a higher time frame. 18,000 profits made between a holding time of 1 and 4 hours. That's pretty good. And then the next ones would be between the 30 minutes and 1 hour and 5 and 15 minutes. So these are both profitable. The least profitable holding time was 1 to 5 minutes. So mostly by scalping, and then also between the 15 and 30 minutes can be avoided and focused on the most profitable ones. If we take a look on the win rate, this is 50%, which is pretty good. It's right in the middle. But the win rate, the average RRR, the risk to reward ratio is pretty high. So 4 can be considered as a remarkable number. However, we can see the profit factor of 4.03 is also at the higher level. Anything above 2 is extremely profitable. It's good to see that the average win is way higher than the average losses. And this is also indicating that on the long run, the trader B has a success in the trading field. Let's take a little bit what he traded or she. Buy positions made $26,000. However, sell positions made almost $4,000. We cannot see a loss in neither of buy or sell positions, so both of them were planned, which direction the account holder will trade. However, buy position had almost 69% of the trades allocated to, and then sell directions were only 31%. If we take a look at the symbols, this is really important, mostly traded with Forex pairs, including Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY. However, the most profitable instrument is an index, US 30 cash or Dow Jones. And for US 30 cash, the trader allocated 5 trades. For USD JPY, only 4. However, this Forex pair wasn't profitable for trader B. Then 2 trades were planned to Euro USD, and then 5 trades remained for GBP USD. By far focusing on US 30, the account can be even profitable. If you take a look at the history, as soon as the account started, we can see some losses, which the account holder might step behind the computer for a while and take some big breaths. But our traders are pretty good at risk management, and despite having some losses, they turn to profits and they find whatever profitable way they can trade. And then we can see that the fourth trade was almost $10,400 profit. And then the trader B continued to making great returns despite of having a loss, then making another profit, and then perhaps making another loss. With the risk to reward ratio, if the trader makes any losses, the trader knows that he will make more profits. If we take a look at the trading volume, these are all on the higher end of the standard lot sizes. So these are, all of them are like 2-digit standard lot sizes, and they remain similar to the entire duration of the account. Okay, let's take a look at Trader C. Trader C's funded account is a MetaTrader 5 account with a $200,000 initial balance. Started on October 4th. This account traded for 2 weeks, so 14 calendar days, and the account reached a balance of $268,000, which is $68,000 profits, and the funded trader received 80% of these. If we take a look at the daily balance chart, we can see a good spike to the upside. However, on the 4th, 5th, 6th day, there was a minor drawdown, we could say, if we compare it to the balance or the deposit of this account. And then the account holder managed to make more profits and ended up at $68,000 by the end of the 14th day. If we want to inspect the balance chart, take a look at the per trade chart. Here we can inspect how he managed the account. So from the beginning, there was a huge spike to the upside, made almost $238,500 in balance by the end of the 13th trade. Then it went into a minor drawdown and managed to make even more profits by the end of the 14th day with a total of 78 trades. Max daily loss was respected, but if we see the historical result, it was almost reached by a short of $400. The account holder took big risk, but he or she stayed in the loss limits, which is good because it has to be respected at all times. Max loss, however, was far away from reaching. The account historical drawdown from the initial balance went down only $276. If we take a look at the daily summary, we can see that the account holder traded all the 7 days, including weekends as well, because you can trade cryptocurrencies at True Forex Funds. And most profitable days were Monday, Tuesday, and also Thursday. However, Wednesday is also profitable. By far, from Monday, Thursday are the most profitable days. However, weekends can be avoided and more focus can be put to weekday trading. Tuesday was reached with a $22,000 of profits. And if we take a look on the trading volumes here, the highest trading volume was 180 lots. On that day, the account made $6,000. However, the highest profit was $27,000, and it was made only with 155 lots. So trading volume might not directly result to the profit results. If we take a look at wins and losses, Thursday is by far away the best in all of the 7 days. However, Tuesday is also very profitable, and Monday, as we discussed it earlier. The profit holding time for this trader could be the best between 15 and 30 minutes. However, this account is not just an intraday trading account, but also a swing trading account. We can see great profits at almost the 24-hour mark and above 24 hours. So either swing trading or holding positions overnight can be profitable for Trader C. The statistic shows us a 58% win rate and with an average risk to reward of 1.8%. From the three, by far this is the lowest average RRR. However, the account is also accompanied with a good profit factor. I also like to see the average win is much greater than the average loss, and with 78 trades, the account could made it to $268,000. So that's pretty remarkable. If we take a look at direction, sell positions were much more favored with a total profit of $50,000, and only 10% were put to buy positions with a total profit of $18,000. Both directions were traded remarkably and with great returns as well. The mostly traded instrument is gold, next to XRP, and then also Euro USD, and then US 30 cash. Gold made $36,000, XRP cryptocurrency made $27,000, and then Euro USD $6,000. And US 30 or Dow Jones wasn't really profitable, so the account holder closed this short and closed the trades early to minimize risk. If you take a look at the history, we can see that as soon as the account started, traders C made great profits. The trading volume varies from standard lot size to 2-digit standard lot sizes. However, when the trader C had a major drawdown for a few days from October 7th to the 9th, then trader C decided to level the trading up, or maybe found profitable trading ideas and took on some more wins, turned psychologically and profitably to the upside, and then continued to making profits with True Forex Funds. So we really like to see traders who, despite of their past experiences, turn their experience to the upside and make great profits with us. And if this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to never miss out on new video updates. Have a good day. Bye.